Hello, this is a Merlin replacement remote for Merlin garage door openers. So it's the E960MR remote. So, front of the packaging, back of the packaging. Instructions. Also comes with a little key ring. The remote comes with the battery pre-installed. I have a Merlin MR800a, which is older standard, so it's the Merlin Security Plus standard. I'll have to pop open this case here and push a learn button for the remote to sync. There's a learn button, which is the button I will have to push. On the remote, I have to hold both the left and right button for about 5 seconds to put it into the programming mode. It's in programming mode once the light is a solid green. I then push the learn button and push the button I want it to assign twice. Once it's assigned, the light flashes. So now that the button is assigned, it operates the door.